All right, ladies and gentlemen, part three and the final part of the notes. When we talk about interference of sound waves, we talk about beats. All right. Um, and this is when there's two sources of sound that are really close in frequency. The sound of the two of them will interfere, and what we'll hear is an alternating sound level. So we'll hear it loud, and then we'll hear it soft, and then we'll hear it loud, and then we'll hear it soft. And if this occurs in an alternating pattern that's regular, it's called beats. So what will happen is we'll have some destructive interference, like right here, which will make it softer. We'll then have some constructive interference, which will make it louder, and then we'll go back to softer, and then we'll go louder. So that's really what beats are, is it's just that alternating loud and soft, loud and soft, loud and soft because of the two interactions or interference of the waves. Now, we have a formula for beats, and to find a beat frequency, you'll take frequency of one object versus minus the frequency of the other. Now, this is an absolute value sign, so because it's inside absolute value brackets, this will never be a negative value. They're all in hertz, so your beat frequency will also be in hertz. This is the way that people that come to tune pianos tune the musical instrument. Sometimes you guys do them as well when you're warming up. You'll tune your instrument so that you'll match things. What you can do is you can take a tuning fork that you know the frequency of, strike it, play the note that you are trying to match, and you do that and make adjustments until the beats disappear. You won't hear that alternating loud and soft, loud and soft, and loud and soft. And people that tune their own instruments actually have a really good ear for this. Conductors have a really good ear for this because they can pick out what instrument is off automatically just because it creates that beat frequency, and they're not supposed to hear that. All right. So because of constructive and destructive interference, we end up with a beat pattern where we end up with large amplitude and smaller amplitudes and large amplitudes and smaller amplitudes. All right. Noise canceling headphones work this way. So they use complete destructive interference so that it makes it where you don't hear that outside sound, and it kind of drowns it out, but you can hear other things. And that really does conclude the notes. What you guys should be doing instead of doing the classwork, PSE problems, 6, 7, 8, 9, you're going to do those tomorrow in class. But you should be working on the additional problems that you're going to get as homework. You can also work on your waves worksheet for the rest of the class period. All of that can be done. I will remind you that the additional problems, answers are in the back of the room in the support station. So as you work those, you can check them. Also, there's a recorded version of those problems on the web, so you can listen to that. These notes in these three parts are posted on my YouTube channel, so make sure if you need to see them again, you can go back and do that. Also, you can check answers for all of your homework on the web, so you should take care of that. You will have a homework quiz on Friday, and you'll turn in all that homework with your homework quiz. What else? If you need any help, make sure that you are talking to Mr. Laga, checking the website or the support stations or my YouTube channel, and or you can always email me. I'll answer you back. Hope things are going well. Remember, your test on your multiple choice portion is on Monday, and BOPs are posted. You guys have fun.